The other outer canvas assets that we will be focusing on in this video are the galleries. And so on the product and service page of this template, you'll see there is a blue placeholder for a gallery, which means that there are assets underneath the canvas that will come in. So just like we did with our scroll, we'll right click, save as picture, and then we'll bring those into the tile builder. As I drag my gallery assets into the assets panel down here in the right, just like I did with our scrolling assets, you're going to do the same thing we did with the scroll tile for the gallery, where we will drag that on to the page where we want the gallery to be set up. And then all that we'll do is drag these images. They can be SVGs, PNGs, JPEGs, doesn't matter, but we're going to drag them in. You can reorder them as well here. You can also determine if you want them to move on their own. So for example, every few seconds. And then, if you need to readjust or rescale them, you can go ahead and do that. But now as I go into preview mode, we'll see that these carousel or gallery assets are now configured.